Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make hummus smooth. The secret to truly smooth hummus lies in peeling the chickpeas. This extra step removes the fibrous outer skin, which is the primary culprit for a grainy texture. Once peeled, combine them with tahini, lemon juice, and garlic in a food processor. We will also incorporate ice water to achieve that wonderfully light and airy consistency you desire. Let's get started on crafting the perfect batch. The most crucial step for silky smooth hummus is peeling the chickpeas. First, boil your cooked chickpeas with 1 teaspoon of baking soda for about 20 minutes. This helps soften the skins significantly. Next, drain them and rub them vigorously between your hands under cold running water. The skins will float away, leaving you with perfectly peeled chickpeas ready for blending. This method ensures an unparalleled creamy base. Once your chickpeas are peeled, it's time to blend. In your food processor, combine the peeled chickpeas, 1/2 cup of good quality tahini, and the juice of 1 large lemon. Add 1 small clove of garlic for a subtle kick. Process this mixture for at least 3 to 5 minutes, scraping down the sides occasionally. The longer you blend, the smoother and creamier your hummus will become, transforming into a luxurious paste. To achieve that signature light and airy texture, gradually add 2 to 4 tablespoons of ice water while the food processor is running. The cold water helps emulsify the mixture and creates a wonderfully fluffy consistency. Continue blending until the hummus is visibly lighter in color and incredibly smooth. Finally, taste and adjust the salt, lemon juice, or tahini to your preference. Serve immediately and enjoy your perfectly smooth hummus.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.